Hey guys, Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie. Hope you guys are doing well today. Wanted to bring you guys out to the water to check out an all brand new model from Sea Ray, being the 2025 Sea Ray 250 SDX Surf. So we're going to start up here in the bow and show you some unique features. But a little background on this model itself, the Surf lineup. So it has blown up, started from the 260 SLX to the 270 SDX, and now we finally have a little bit more of a compact version that is not, a ton of money. So this is a really, really good outfit. So let's see what you guys think after checking this thing out. But starting up here in the bow, you'll see the design of the 250 SDX is completely different. So this used to have that port side walkthrough, no longer, is now a partial walkthrough. What I love about this is you still have the same amount of leg room, if not more. So you have more lounging capabilities up here. I'm about 5'10". I fit easy up here, so you can see somebody that's 6 feet could probably squeeze in here pretty easily. But what I love is that you still retain having a port side lounger with having this partial walkthrough. So you kind of have a 2 wide seat off to the starboard side, still have 1 lounger off to the port side. Really, really cool how they laid this out. And of course, you got storage underneath all your seats where you can throw dock lines and extra little equipment here and there. But let's start walking a little bit behind the windshield. So they've also went back to the classic design of that rounded windshield design. Really, really sleek how it looks on this boat, especially with the body lines. You'll see that it really makes a lot of sense and gives it a really sleek look. But what I love too is the port side walkthrough gave us an extra console off to the side that we didn't have on the previous body style. So we have our Fusion head unit right here, so we can operate all the audio right here. You can also operate it on the driver's side too, but this just gives you a remote area to do so, and you also do have storage under here, which is extremely helpful as you did not have any storage here before. Also still have your bow walkthrough door, so all that stuff still exists, so good stuff. Then, of course, the new design with the head compartment is completely different. So we can open up that door, and then we can actually slide this piece back, give you that headroom to get inside there. You can use it to have the kids cool down in the hot summer days, or have some excess storage for storing cushions and stuff like that. Then, of course, going up to our helm over here, really, really expansive setup here. We got 2 different screens. One can be showing your chart plotter. Another one can be displaying the water sport functions that you will have on board here. And definitely check out some of that footage when you guys have a chance. This boat has a really incredible wave and it's super easy to use. But then to go along with that, we do have trim tabs, which are the surf tabs. But when you are not using them as the surf tabs, you can use them as a traditional trim tab system. So it is a very dual purpose use, not just for water sports, also for going out there and just having a comfortable lake day too. We also do have the digital throttle that is very reminiscent of this model anyways. However, it's really nice to see that it's back and it's paired up to the 350 horsepower Mercruiser that we have on board. And then back here in the cockpit area where a lot of the party's gonna be happening at, a lot of comfort seating. You have your traditional, SDX sandbar style, sandbar mode where you can deploy all your seats reverse and really have comfortable seating all the way around. You also do have this backrest folds down, makes it a huge bed back here. So again, turning it into sandbar mode, making it a lot more comfortable back here. And then before we move on to other features, I do want you to see this giant top that we're under. So this bimini top is massive. With this new design, it's given them the ability to make the largest bimini tops that they've offered to date. So the entire cockpit area is completely covered from the windshield all the way back to this lounger. So super awesome feature, and it's an electric tower. So for those guys that have lifts and stuff like that, super easy, click a button and it goes down. Then last but not least, coming back here through our transom walkthrough, we do have some nice features back here, one being transom switch. That way, if you have to move that motor up and down, that is used for the swim platform. So if you have that drive trimmed up, you can trim it down, throw that swim platform in the water, get your water sport tours ready for action, and that's pretty much it. But then we also do have some water spigots around the boat as well, so that way you can rinse off at the end of the day. But guys, that's pretty much a good little sneak peek at the SDX Surf. So if you guys have any more questions or you want to see some of the videos that we're going to have of this thing, please check them out. And thank you guys for watching.